clearance, Colonel.
Those are Marines. We need a QRF in there right now.
That's not advisable.
And that is not your call.
Colonel, Laswell.
General, my men...
Norris, give us a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
We've got a situation. The Kremlin has suspended all deconfliction channels. The Sixth Fleet is pushing into the Black Sea, and chemical weapons are now in the wild. Your fingerprints are all over this, Laswell. Fix it.
General, right now intelligence is our best weapon.
We've tried intelligence. Get me a better weapon.
John.
Laswell.
Where are you?
Occupied.
I've got a problem.
Russians?
Word travels fast. Chemical weapons have fallen into terrorist hands. They could be anywhere. Paris, New York.
London.
When can you brief?
We just did.
Sergeant Garrick, roger up.
Go for Garrick.
Terror threat level is now critical. Possible multiple attackers. Bombers or something worse.
Do we have snipers in position?
Negative, Sergeant. Can't unduly alarm the public.
Terrorists know that too, sir.
Garrick, don't turn London into a war zone, clear?
Yeah, Crystal. Out.
Looks like we're on our own, lads.
We'll handle it. Let's get it done, yeah?
Hey, firm.
Sergeant? Heads up. White van.
Weapons in view.
That's them. Saber to Raven. White van, multiple military-age males. Weapons visible. Moving to intercept.
Roger. Unless an attack is imminent, do not engage.
White van, left side. Go, go!
They're here, brother! They're here! Come here! Go!
Don't fucking move!
Police, freeze! Whoa. Get your hands up now!
Get down on the ground! Right now! I'm not gonna tell you again!
Suspect in.
They fucking got him!
What the hell is going on down there?
There's been a detonation at Piccadilly Circus. Shots fired. Officers down. We need medical down here now. They're not done yet. Let's move. Let's move.
All units, suspects are cornered in the Santo building.
This is Saber 2. Bookshop
There's
secure.
a possible hostage situation. Hold at the perimeter. Assistance, shots fired. Multiple casualties. Police force suspects placing in the vicinity. Secondary detonation. Secondary detonation of the cabin. Automatic weapon. We need progress now. Unit calling. Hold back. Sergeant 9-9 en route now. Copy, Sergeant. Suspects are retreating into the Santo building.
Raven, Saber 2, officers down.
Blue! Blue!
I see you. You armed up?
Yes, sir.
Captain Price,
Sergeant Garrick.
you with me? Check those corners.
Up here!
Hostages, up top.
Someone! Someone, please! Help us!
Get it off me! Please, get it off me!
Sergeant, I need you over here.
Help me! Help me, I'm not one of them!
I don't want to die, mate. I want to go home.
Look, open!
I want to see my girl now. I want to see... Can you help him?
I'm trying.
Let me see my girl!
It's going off.
I can't get it.
No time! Help me! Help me! Wait! What are you doing? No! No!
All stations. Room is clear. Prep medical are coming out. Hey, everybody, stay calm. We're gonna get you out of here. You broken?
I'm good. Let's go.
You saved lives today, Sergeant.
It shouldn't have happened in the first place, sir. They sent us in half-assed. So everyone could just keep pretending we're not at war.
Yeah, like the fucking century, that is.
Why have we got our hands tied? Let's just take the bloody gloves up and fight. Sir.
Go on.
We don't stand a chance in hell with these rules of engagement, Captain. They can tell us where, they can tell us when. Don't tell us how. My men were tracking that cell for weeks.
You had actual intel on this?
Quite a bit, sir.
Okay, Garrett. You're with me.
Alcatala's claiming responsibility.
Oh, orders from the Wolf and Urzikstan.
Alex is on the ground there looking for the stolen chems.
Well, he made the Liberation Force on his side, so I've been contact the CO.
You know Commander Karim?
We're acquainted. Use my name, or they'll kill him.
What is your message from Captain Price?
Commander Karim. Call me Alex.
I'm listening, Alex.
This is classified.
يلا ولا دامي جهزوا لي هالكم.
48 hours ago, terrorists stole a shipment of Russian gas.
Only Alcatala would do this.
The Russians make no distinction between Alcatala and your people.
And I make no distinction between Alcatala and the Russian army. They're both terrorists. We would never use these poisons.
And help us track it before they...
Before they what? Take it to Europe? Or America? We live like this every day.
Commander, it's time to go. Who is this?
Alex, this is my brother and Lieutenant, Hadir.
You are CIA?
He works with Captain Price.
Then you kill Russians, yes?
I have friends who can help us. But your sister decides what's next.
Of course. My sister is in command. And the Russian army is still...
If you stay, we will help you. But if you stay, you fight.
We have no missiles, but we have our ways.
If you stay, we can help you. But if you stay, you fight.
Yelanato.
Marhaba Ali Urzikstan, Alex.
Follow me. These tunnels are our lifeline. We have intel Russian troop commanders are in town today. We're going to ambush them.
How?
Explosives.
That'll get their attention.
And pull security away from the Russian base, leaving it open to an attack.
We must hold nothing back.
Too far on that path, and we lose ourselves. Get set for the airbase attack.
Be safe. Alex, take these charges. C4 with remote detonator.
Thanks.
Watch my sister. Good luck.
You too.
أهلا طارق.
بسرعة. يلا. أمريكي.
زلمة كفو. Here, Alex. This on.
How do I look?
It'll do. Tarek, what's the report?
Russians are just outside. If they see your weapons, they will shoot.
That happens. Our plan fails before it starts. Alex, our guns give us away. Keep it hidden. Follow me.
За тебя еды сегодня не будет. Говорит.
Barkov's forces occupy the entire city. They separate our men and women. The day will be very strict. Their officers are coming.
Did Markov show up?
Almost never. He hides while others do his dirty work.
What kind of dirty work?
Punishment. For fighting back.
Men on the work line. Women to the trucks.
This is where we split up. You'll need to comply to blend in.
In spite of my generosity and protection, there are forces in Uzbekistan who refuse to learn the lesson of safety,
I'm through.
peace, and
Go left, down the alley. See that soldier?
А ну стой!
Take it.
Get over it!
كريم ديري بالك دخلي تكتب. You're resourceful. Good.
Keep your weapon hidden. Let's go. I have contacts posted just ahead. They'll have more explosives for us. A bigger blast will pull more forces away from the Russian base. Shit. Barkov's soldiers have found my contacts. They may be dead already.
Can't go loud. Need a suppressor.
Find an oil filter. It will silence your weapon. Check civilian guards. I'll keep watch on the guards.
That'll do it.
Good. Head back and flank right. You get two.
Когда
I'll
воде
take the
вон
rest.
дома к дому. Посидели.
Какого черта?
Clear. Stay low. Hold up. Stay away from the door.
Осторожно. Могут быть растяжки.
Do you have a shot?
Yep.
Take two. I'll take the other. Shit. That's one way to do it. Clear. Stay low. Move in. Hold up. Stay away from the door.
Осторожно. Могут быть растяжки.
Do you have a shot?
Yep.
Take two. I'll take the other.
Now go check the back room. Да прыгай, неудобно, вздохнешь!
That's one way to do it. Let's get moving.
Sorry about your contacts.
We have the explosives. Their sacrifice will not be in vain.
your weapon. It's our best chance.
Hide the gun. We're going back outside.
Follow me. I'll lead.
And if I General Butler, you will be made an example of.
What is this?
Please, she's just scared. Stand down. I know what you You understand why we do this. They hang because they killed our soldiers. Now look at them.
Let's get moving.
You live peacefully.
This is a goddamn war crime.
Help each other.
Punishment for the stolen gas.
It is the terrorists.
Barker blames us for stealing it.
What can we do?
Unite
Accomplish our mission and put an end to Barkov's cruelty forever.
and you will be rewarded.
Through here, up the ladder. Barkov is sending in helicopters. We take them out. Forces from the base will come running.
Leaving us a window to the back.
Send explosives on the helicopter. I'll cover you. Guards get in your way. Take them out. Quietly. Meet back here when you're through.
Mужчина, шевелись!
In the name of so-called freedom. These homegrown terrorists are the cancer in this great country. There can be no order and no peace until those who side with these savages are permanently eliminated. I am a American and a man of swift justice. There is no judge or jury here. There is only crime and
Guards on the entry.
If you engage, try not to be seen.
one by one. We will eliminate
Two down.
from our
Nice.
and create a safe place to work and prosper under my word. This revolt brings war to the peace-loving citizens of Uzbekistan.
I'm at the target.
You know what to do.
These freedom fighters and their collaborators threaten the safety and security of those who follow the rules. Today, they will be punished.
Charge set. This will make one hell of a distraction.
That's the plan. Now get to the other helicopter.
Terror tactics and secret plans have made a grave miscalculation.
Use the stairs. Stop. There's a guard. Top of the stairs, left side.
Good eye.
Got you covered.
You got cat-like reflexes.
I'm more of a dog person.
Charges set.
We will root out
Regroup on my position.
and hold this territory forever. There will be no country for enemies.
Blow it.
Fire in the hole.
Fucking beautiful, Alex. Well done. Now this way.
Wait. Take the left. Hold your fire. Look, good work. Troops on the base are rushing into the fence. Okay, the trucks are undefended. We'll take them out. Come, under the truck. More are coming. Follow close. A parting gift for when they return.
How generous of you.
A shame to miss the show, but we have to get on with our attack before it's too late. The next street will lead us back to the tunnel, under Tarek's.
Shit!
Potter, we're getting boxed in.
I'm going to blow it! Right, Alex, go right!
Holy shit!
Window!
Potter, what the hell is this?
Alex, get down.
Don't move. Keep your head still. Hold. Now, move on.
Вот почему мы сжигаем это место. Может, хоть в этот раз до них дойдет.
Должно быть Карин.
To the left.
Kandar, watch where you shoot!
Good work. To the tunnel, quickly. More may be coming. Look, reinforcements from the airbase. Our plan is working. Stop. Shit. Tarek's door is open.
Where's Tarek?
Dead. He would never abandon his post. Let's go. Clear. Let's head down. Get to Hadir.
You lost good people today.
That is the cost of this war. Now let's take Barkov's airbase, so their deaths are not in vain.
We're in for a hell of a fight.
So are they. Hadir has a plan.